Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I want to show you guys how you can turn off images on your Etsy listing reviews. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep you motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, go on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. So I was working on content creation for the next month or so, since I'm going to be so busy with Christmas and traveling and everything else, that I wanted to just get some videos done. So I was working on a video to talk to you guys about how to run multiple shops, because I run my first SVG shop that I opened up, which is Shooting Star SVG, what you guys know me as. I do very little maintenance on it now, maybe add a handful of listings throughout the year. And I run my naughty R-rated SVG shop, which does very well. But as you can anticipate, I can get some pretty colorful characters in that shop. And so I was going through to kind of show you guys some of the things that you need to pay attention to when you're running multiple shops. And clearly, I had some issues with my Etsy review photos. So thankfully, now that I've dinked around with it a little bit, it's actually cutting off the majority of the photo. But somebody had purchased one of my naughtier listings. And we anticipated the posting review to have a picture of this particular SVG utilized on the item. And it was an old dude naked, and you could see the top of his ding-dang. So we definitely don't want this to show up in my shop for people to see, because nobody wants to see wrinkly balls when they go on Etsy, even if they are looking at an R-rated Etsy shop. So aside from wangalangs, you guys might get a photo on a review, and sometimes customers will do this where they actually upload a picture of the file that is not yours. So say they're a crafter, they're a creator, they're creating a ton of stuff, they're taking a ton of pictures, they're leaving a ton of different reviews on things, and they upload an image to the review that is not your file. It is somebody else's file, and you're like, well, this looks really weird. Somebody is praising my file, and then they upload a photo of something that is not mine. Fret not. You can remove this listing, or this review photo. You can remove this review photo from your Etsy shop. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to my dashboard in just a second, but I just want to scroll down past my revenue. So I'm gonna open up my naughty shop so y'all can see this, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm like scarred for life. Okay, I promise you guys I'm gonna blur this photo out because I'm not gonna scroll at all, and I'm gonna show you guys what the review looks like. Okay, so on my computer screen I was scrolling down, and this is the review image that was here. And this dude said, "Thank you for the wonderful shopping experience," and then decided to upload a picture of his old naked body. Gotta give it to the guy for being however old he is. He's in pretty good shape, but not my cup of tea. So we don't want people to see that photo, though we will leave this particular review here, okay? So I am actually in my shop. I'm logged in, okay? So you'll see here I'm logged in to my account, right? And I just typed in my shop name. So I just went to Etsy.com, and I went to SVG's After Dark, and you can click on reviews here, okay? And it's going to show you your reviews. And so you can scroll down, and you can see that it says show this photo to buyers. I have it unclicked right now. If I update it, then it will actually be shown. We don't want that, okay? So I'm in the back of my shop here, and you can click on your pencil icon at the bottom, and you're just going to do the same thing. Click on reviews, okay? And you'll scroll down. You'll see that your reviews are here. For some reason, mine are a little bit lagging right now, okay? So I have to go back to the first page here. And you just want to make sure that this is unchecked, okay? So anytime that you have a image on the photos, let's see if I can find another one. Not a lot of people post images with their reviews. You can actually click on hide this photo from buyers, okay? And what that will do is it's going to remove the photo, but it will still show the actual text of the review. So you can do this for any review, right? So again, if somebody has posted a picture of a file, it is not yours, you just go ahead and click on hide it. You can also do this directly from your shop, okay? If you're logged in, you can do it directly from your shop just by clicking on reviews. So I'll just show you in real time. Again, I can click on hide this photo from buyers because I'm logged in. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Try not to scroll around too much because I don't need you guys seeing all the sweary words if you're a little bit more PG than I am. So just a little tip on how you can remove Etsy listing review photos. Okay, very, very quick thing I just wanted to go through. So if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. You can drop a comment in the comments box below. More importantly, if you got something out of this video, if you had no freaking clue that this was a thing, because I surely didn't, but I'm glad I do now, click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And like I said, if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Hide those naughty pictures. I'll catch you on the next video.